How to turn off auto doubling on YouTube videos. To do this, first open a YouTube video and tap on settings. And now tap on audio trick. And now select the original language. Now let's see how to turn off auto doubling from your YouTube channel. First go to Studio. And now tap on Settings. Now tap on Upload Defaults. Advanced Settings. Scroll down. Now turn off Allow Automatic Doubling option and save it.